26 years of CNBC-TV18.
Welcome back. It's time to talk commodities. We have Manisha Gupta joining in with the latest. Manisha, what do you have your eye on?
Well, metals, and because even as we are heading close to 2025 end, it still is the precious metals, base metals continue to trade very, very strong there. When it is majorly about the Treasury yields, which have continued to decline. The dollar index is now trading at an 8-week close, is down by 9% for this year. You also have the US Fed now looking to expand balance sheet by $500 billion. And some market participants are reading this as a quantitative easing. Very bullish again for gold and silver there. I'll start with gold and silver both because they're headed for the best annual gain since 1979. So gold prices gained 1.5% in the overnight market, and we are trading above 42.70 at this point in time. 43.81 is an all-time high, still slightly far away from that. But when it comes to silver, it has been a 4% of a gain overnight, and this is trading at an all-time highs of $64.32 an ounce. For the gold prices, it also has to do with the Chinese official gold reserves, which have continued to increase for a 13th straight month for the month of November, and they added around 30,000 ounces, and it holds at a record around 2,305 tons as of now. So Chinese silver buying has just about continued every single month in last 13 months there. Take a look at silver prices then, and we are up by 120% in 2025 till time. Silver is trading at a record highs, not just in US, not just in India, but in various other countries like China, Germany, and Australia, and the list perhaps could just go on. The third metal on your screen should be copper prices, because they're also trading at a record highs of $11,800 a ton. For copper, we've seen a gain of around 36% in this year till time. And for copper as well, it's trading at an all-time highs in US, in China, and the Indian markets also. Well, there are strong growth projections coming in for copper from US. The China stimulus measures perhaps could add some more support to the prices. Also, when you look at the demand and supply concerns, the kind of deficit that copper is looking at is going to be supportive going forward as well. And then there's a very interesting International Energy Agency report which says that in 2024, the demand for refined copper was 27 million tons, which will grow to 33 million tons by the time it's 2035 and 37 million tons in 2050. And the production details perhaps could not be as fast. So that means that copper perhaps could continue to be in deficit for the years to come, clearly supporting those prices. And then you have the other metals like platinum, palladium, which are also trading on a higher side. We've seen palladium prices trade at October highs. Here as well, we've seen prices gain up because of the China auto sales, which is up 3.5% at an 11-month highs for the month of November. Zinc is trading at around 2-month highs, aluminum at a 1-month high. So everything that you say as metals, whether it's precious or base metals, has continued to gain even today in the Asian markets therein.
Thank you, Manisha, for that.